Hello friends, our project is based on multi-channel PC based data acquisition system. So here we have developed a low cost data acquisition system using 8051 microcontroller. Basically, if you go in the market, then you will get NI DAQ card from 10,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees. But here the cost we have reduced to up to 1,000 rupees. So here we have acquired the data of 3 sensors. Here we have used simple potentiometers to detect the 0 to 5 volt. So it will give output in 0 to 5 volt. So here basically the suppose sensors are temperature sensor, level sensor and a pressure sensor. So now the output of the sensor from 0 to 5 volt, it will go in the input of ADC 0808, which is an analog to digital converter. So basically the analog to digital converter will convert this 0 to 5 volt in 0 to 255 digital output because the resolution is 8 bit. Now this digital outputs from ADC, here we have applied in the port 0 of 8051 microcontroller. Here the 8051 microcontroller used is 89S52. So we have here we have attached the port 0 of microcontroller to the output of ADC. So from ADC we will get the 8 bits in the respective port of the microcontroller. Now microcontroller will do the main task of transmitting these bits into serially. So here we have used the MAX232 IC, so which will interface the RS232 port with the 8051 microcontroller. So here we have used the RS232 port and there we have connected RS232 to USB converter, so we can get the data in laptop or PC. Now we will run the circuit. So here from here sensor, so data will go in ADC. ADC 0808 will convert the analog signal from 0 to 5 volt to 0 to 255 digital bits because the resolution is 8 bit, and from there the 89S52 microcontroller will transmit the data serially via RS232 port in the PC. So here let us see the change. So here it is a temperature sensor. So if we vary the voltage of the potentiometer, so it will be detected in the LabVIEW. So we have used LabVIEW as a software.